for the Sam B-2. It's got a cam selector dial on the front here, big one, and you can see the cam drive gear here, just like most side load Japanese machines. It's got a main zigzag cam over here, and when we turn our zigzag dial on this side, it moves the main cam for regular zigzag, and then it has this decorative cam assembly as a completely separate mechanism. So at any time, if you set it for 5 on the main zigzag dial, you always get a full width zigzag. The decorative cam is a plastic cam stack, but this one is in good shape. And honestly, I don't know what the deal is, but this style here with the horizontal cam like this, I haven't seen a lot of damaged of these. Regardless, if you pick up a machine with this horizontal cam stack in it, and the separate zigzag cam, you always get zigzag. But you need to flip. This is a cam release lever. You see it pulls the cam follower out, and then as you turn your selector dial, it moves the follower here across the cam stack. So if you're having trouble with your specialty stitches on a side load Japanese machine, this is an incredibly common setup. The dial on the front here pushes this cam selector across the back, and you need to find your release function that lifts this selector back, because the dial can't turn with the cam follower resting on the cam stack. This selector has a small lock mechanism behind it. It's just a little latch that latches on the side of this. You can see when if I carefully move between, yeah, you have to wiggle the dial and you'll see it snap back into the position lock, just like that. So if your dial is stuck or jammed when you move your release here, you need to double check for a small locking latch behind this trim, and you can find it, and then you can usually access it from near your release lever to get in there and clean it up so it'll move. But that is the cam follower for these horizontal cam machines. Very common in side load Japanese machines, and during operation, this one happens to have a nice big visible bar across the top, and you see it pulls from here, goes across, and acts on the back side of the lever here to move the needle back and forth off of this cam stack. But yeah, if any of this wasn't working properly, we'd just have to go carefully along and oil everything that looks like it's supposed to move. A lot of times, because these linkages are so long, if it gets gummed up, then say your follower will get stuck half lifted from storage or something, and you'll need to go and free up some of these middle linkages, because the main power for returning is on these springs has to go through this link and that link and there and there and there and there to reset all of this, and just a little bit of sticky on the far end. This linkage sticking gets leverage from here, 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 and any gumming here to prevent the spring from working. So that's the challenge on freeing up these cam stack machines.